Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to download and get and install Pokemon POKOPIA in your Nintendo Switch 2, okay? Pay attention because I have a good information for you. Oh, this is a beautiful game, okay? Now, step by step. Step 1, okay? You need your Nintendo Switch 2. Span! I'm joking, okay? Step 2. You need open your Nintendo eShop, okay? And look in the game, okay? Now you open your Nintendo Switch 2. Then maybe your first option is Pokemon POKOPIA. Okay. Now I continue. There is the more important step in all gameplay. Okay. You need boot the game. Boot the game. You must boot the game. You should be a good person, not a rat kid. Okay. Okay. Pay attention. Things are either done right or not at all, okay? Nobody gives anything away for free in his life. Pay attention. You need pay for the game, you need make a good things, okay? And the life is generous with you, okay? If you don't have money, you don't have played the game. That's the truth, okay? That's the truth. Vale? Okay, and this is all for this gameplay. Sorry if I broke your feels, okay? But the reality is that. Have a good day. See you later.